I bought and tested these car seats so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a parent, I know how crucial it is to find the right car seat for your little one. Safety, comfort, and ease of use are key, and I've sifted through countless options to bring you the best of the best.
Product number 1. Graco Extend 2-Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. Let's dive deep into the Graco Extend 2-Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. My experience with this car seat has been nothing short of impressive. First off, the installation was a breeze thanks to the latch system. I remember the first time I set it up, the audible click gave me that instant reassurance that it was securely attached. This seat is designed to grow with your child, transitioning from rear-facing to forward-facing with ease. The Extend 2-Fit feature, which provides an adjustable extension panel for extra legroom, was a game changer for us. I could keep my baby rear-facing longer, which is crucial for safety. The fact that it accommodates children up to 50 pounds in rear-facing mode means I can have peace of mind during longer car rides. Now let's talk about comfort. The seat has a 6-position recline, which was perfect for my little one who often fell asleep during drives. The fabric is soft and breathable, which is a must for any parent. I also appreciated the Simply Safe Adjust harness system. No more rethreading the harness as my baby grows. Pros include its longevity, safety ratings, and ease of installation. The only con I found was its weight. It's a bit hefty to carry around, but the safety features make it worth it. If you're looking for a car seat that combines safety and comfort with the ability to grow with your child, the Graco Extend 2-Fit is a fantastic choice. Product number 2 is the Graco Snug Ride Lite LX Infant Car Seat. This was my go-to when my baby was in the early stages of life, weighing only 7.2 pounds. The lightweight design made it incredibly easy to carry from the car to the stroller, which was essential during those countless trips to the grocery store. The installation process was straightforward with its stay-in-car base and latch system. I loved the easy-to-read level indicator. It took the guesswork out of ensuring the seat was positioned correctly. Safety is a top priority for me, and the Protect Plus engineered certification gave me confidence. This car seat has been rigorously tested for various crash scenarios, which is something every parent should consider. The 4-position adjustable base was also a lifesaver as my baby grew. I could easily adjust it without any hassle. A minor drawback was the canopy. While it provided decent coverage, I wished it was a bit larger for better sun protection. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, lightweight infant car seat that doesn't compromise on safety, the Graco Snug Ride Lite LX is an excellent choice. Product number 3. Safety First Alaris 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. This seat is designed for longevity, adapting as your child grows with its 3 modes of use. It was a bit of a revelation for my family. The slim design meant that I could fit 3 across the back of my car without cramming anyone in, which is a huge plus for families with multiple kids. The rear-facing infant mode was perfect for my little one, and I appreciated how easily it transitioned to the toddler and forward-facing modes. Comfort was also a priority, with a 5-position headrest that adjusted easily. I found the machine washable seat pad to be a game changer. Kids can be messy, and it's nice to know I can easily clean it. The installation with the hook-style latch was straightforward, making it easy for busy parents. The only con I would mention is that it's slightly bulkier than some other options, but the safety features and adaptability more than make up for it. If you're looking for a versatile car seat that will last for years, consider the Safety First Alaris. Product number 4. Graco Easy Turn 360 2-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. The Graco Easy Turn 360 2-in-1 Convertible Car Seat has been another fantastic addition to our car seat lineup. This seat rotates 360 degrees, which means I can easily get my child in and out without straining my back. As a parent, this was an absolute lifesaver, especially during those early months when baby wrangling can feel like a workout. The SnugRock technology made installation a breeze, and I felt confident that it was securely installed in less than a minute. The 2 modes of use, rear-facing and forward-facing, mean that I can use this seat for a while.
The headrest has 10 adjustable positions, allowing me to find the perfect fit as my child grows. I appreciated the slim design, which saved space in my back seat, and the safety ratings were reassuring. The only downside I found was that the weight of the seat makes it a bit tricky to transfer between vehicles, but that's a small price to pay for the safety and convenience it offers. If you want a well-designed car seat that combines safety, comfort, and ease of use, the Graco Easy Turn 360 is an excellent choice.
Product number 5, Safety First Grow and Go all-in-one slim convertible car seat. This seat is designed to grow with your child, transitioning through 3 stages: rear-facing, forward-facing, and finally a booster seat. I found this feature incredibly valuable, as it meant I didn't have to buy multiple car seats as my child grew. The quick fit harness made adjusting the height and harness simple and quick, which is a blessing in those busy mornings. Cleaning is a breeze with the washer and dryer safe seat pad, and I loved the removable cup holders that are dishwasher safe. It's these little features that really make a difference in day-to-day use. The only downside I noticed was that the seat can be a bit bulky in smaller cars, but the safety ratings and longevity make it a worthwhile investment. If you need a versatile and durable car seat that can adapt as your child grows, the Safety First Grow and Go is a top contender. In conclusion, choosing the right car seat can be overwhelming, but the options we've covered today, Graco and Safety First, offer safety, comfort, and functionality. Investing in the right car seat not only protects your child, but also provides peace of mind during every journey. Remember, safety first.